So you think it's funny? Well then, here we go. People everywhere all around the world, listen up, you boys and girls. You listen to this and you listen to that. The kingdom is here and that's the rap. Yeah, that's the rap. The kingdom is here and that's the rap. Boys chasing this and girls chasing that. Ignore the voice of the Lord. And just like that, that's the rap. Just like that, that's the rap. People everywhere all around the world, there's a new sound going out to the boys and the girls around the world. The king of our hearts is giving a final whirl. It's a curtain call for the boys and the girls. There's a wind blowing now around the earth. Yeah, throughout the earth. Throughout the earth. It's a new sound going out. Yeah, it's going out throughout the earth. And that's the rap. Just like that. And that's the rap. That's the rap. Yeah, that's the rap. That's the rap. And that's the rap. You listen to this and you listen to that. The kingdom is near and that's the rap. Yeah, that's the rap. Listen to this new sound coming down from the throne of God. Yeah, and that's the rap. And that's the rap. Just like that. And that's the rap. Yeah, that's the rap. There's a new sound going out to the boys and the girls. And that's the rap. Yeah, and just like that. And that's the rap.